Hello, pakitanggal na lang po yung mga hikaw, mga kwintas, para start the game na po.
Ready tayo?
Ready? 2. Oh, good. Back to the ball game. Vivas, nagdadala ng bola. Calusa. Calusa, foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 12. First foul, first team foul. So pasa, loose ball. Loose ball foul. Okay. Dadala ng bola. Dadala ng bola. Oy, Gabriel. Inasa. Boom. Okay. Turnover. Turnover. Okay. Calusa. Nagdadala ng bola. Calusa. Pinasa. Number 7. Pinira, 2 points! Assist by number 7. 2 points by number 25. Score 2-0. Rod for 3 points. 3 points. Rod. Assist by Kuya Ike, number 30. Okay, Calusa, nagdadala ng bola. 2 boy, wala. Okay. Rebound, number 25. Okay. Calusa. Sorry, not Calusa. Rebound, Calusa. 2 points. Pare, score 3-5. Who's foul up? 3 ang BMS. 4-3. Number 4. Number 4. First foul for a second team foul. Hey. First team foul. Hindi count. Second throw. Okay.
Lagyan mo ng foul yung isa din. 1-1. Paano maging 14 ko?
Okay. Ganyan. Pinapasang bola. Bares, number 4, pinasa. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 5. 2 shot. Number 5. First personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. First shot. Good.
Pare, baliktad ang second team foul. Kila ano ang second team foul? Kila BMS, no?
Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Rebound number 30. Dadala ng bola. Ron, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa sa anak. Pinasa kay Kuya Bong.
Shoot.
14. Shoot. Hindi masuk. Pinasa. Kuya Bong. Kuya Bong. Balat. Kuya Bong ulit. Rebound. 2 points. Rebound. 2 points. Nadali ng bola. Nasa. Steal! Steal by Roy. Number 5. Ron for 3. Wala. Rebound by number Calusa. Calusa nagdadala ng bola. Calusa tinasa. 2 points. Who's foul red? Basket count. Foul number 18.
Time out daw, time out.
Time out, BMS. Game line na. Red. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. One shot, bonus shot for number 8.
First pa lang yun, okay.
Bonus shot for number 8. Okay, number 9, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa, Gabriel. Gabriel, pinasa, Uyabong, wala, rebound. Number 15, pinasa ng bola. 2 points by number 7. Assist by number 15. Ron, pinasa kay Kuya Ay, rebound, pinasa, 2 points. Score, 10-9.
Maki-message si Mali ko.
Number 7, wala. Bola ng BMS.
Sub, rep. Sub.
Sub. Okay. Adala bola number 9. Bang. A roll for 3 points. Assist by number 9. Okay. Number 4. Pinasa, number 7. Binalik kay number 4. Number 4. Tira. Wala. Rebound number 15. Who's foul rep? Number 2. Del Mundo. Penalty. Fourth team foul. First foul. Rebound number 14. First shot. No. Second shot. Good. Score 10-12. Rebound, Del Mundo. Assist. Rebound number 15. Number 8. 2 points by number 24. Gila. Tingnan. Rebound by number 18. Pinasa. Ron. Nagmamadali. 2 points. Ron, 2 points. Assist by number 18. Number 8, wala. Number 8, rebound. Number 24, wala. Number 7, rebound. Push foul, run. Rebound number 7 ng Gilas. Foul number 2 ng BMS. 2 shot. Okay, and at the first quarter, score 13-14. First shot, Good. Second shot. Okay. Score 15-14.
Reset yung... Start nyo lang, i-anom lang. Sige, yun, ganun lang. Plus mo lang. Yan. You got it? Pre, lagyan natin ng ashes o ano man para yung sa start. Yun! Ayun ang gusto ko sa inyo!
Kahit hindi nakakachit, meron na eh.
Hello! Oh! Red! Okay! Wala.
Hello. So back to the ball game.
Hello.
Bola ng BMS. Score 15-14. Ron nagdadala ng bola. Ron, pinasa Del Mundo, binalik kay Ron. Ron, pinasa kay Del Mundo. Del Mundo, pinasa kay Cuevas. Wala, sablay. Rebound, Del Mundo, pinasa. Wala, rebound kay Ike. 2 points. Rebound Ike, 2 points Ike. Ganda ng laban, 15-16, lamang ang BMS. Number 7, dinadalang bola. Number 8, Gustavo Red. Number 2, Del Mundo. Third personal foul, first team foul. Third personal foul, Del Mundo. First team foul. 2 shot by number 8. First shot, wala, sablay.
Ang kalaban natin mamaya.
Sabret next. Second shot, wala pa rin. Okay, rebound number 24. Number 22, pinasa. Number 7, who's foul rep? Number 12. Ron, second personal foul, second team foul. Okay, number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Number 7, pinasa, kalusa, pinasa. Number 3 seconds violation. Score 15 by 16. Ron, dadala ng bola. Ron, nagdadala ng bola. Kuya Bong, 15 to shoot. Steal by number 7. Number 7, shoot, wala. Rebound number 22. Number 22, dala ng bola. Ron, steal, nakuha agad. Number 22. 4, 3. Steal by Ron. Del Mundo. Kuya Bong. Gabriel. Ron for 3. Wala. Short. Okay, loose ball. Bola ng BMS. Sabret. Halu. Score 15-16. Tush. Cuevas. Nice pass. Assist by number 18. 2 shot by number 9. Number 22, dadala ng bola. Number 7, tinira, wala. Rebound, number 9. Tumatakbo, number 9. Wala. Rebound, number 30, rebound and 2 points. Number 24. 24. Hinintay. Number 15. Number 22. Number 22 nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 24.
9.
Tinira na tres. Wala. Rebound by number 30. Number 18 nagdadala ng bola. Number 9. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 15. Number 7. Nagsasalaksak. Wala. Number 7 again. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Pinasa. Number 25. Wala pa rebound. Number 25. Who's fouled up? Number 18. Number 18 foul. Timeout. BMS. Number 18, 2 personal foul. Okay, back to the ball game. Score 15-20. Lamang ang BMS. Shout out sa iyo, Jason Padilla from Montinlupa. Okay. Relax. Okay, number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Number 7, tumira. 2 points. Shout out sa'yo, Jason Padilla. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 13, Ron. Wala ng bola. 10 to shoot. Del Mundo. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. Report mo dito pag magsasab. Sub. Number 22, takin. Number 9, Ron, takin. Okay, back to the ball game. Cuevas, nagdadala ng bola. 9, 8, 7, 6, Del Mundo, tira, wala. Rebound, number 8. Nasa number 22. Okay, traveling by number 22. Back to the ball game. Ron, nagdadala bola rin. Ron, pinasa, Del Mundo. Gabriel, pumasa, Ron again, Ron. Johnson for 3, wala. A rebound, number 25. 24. Number 24. Number Justin by number 9. Still number 9, nagdadala ng bola. Sumalagsak. Foul. Who's foul, right? Number 25. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot, Mr. Johnson. Sabret. Takin, bro. Salamat. 2 shot by number 9. First shot. Wala. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 8. Pinasa, number 15. Number 15. Number 22. Nagtatala ng bola. Number 22. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Tumalaksak. Pinasa, number 15. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Wright. Mr. Wright. Pinasa kay Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Del Mundo nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 9.
12 to shoot. And
9, 8, 7, 6. Sumalaksak. 2 points by Mr. Jensen. Steal by warning number 2, delayed the game. Okay, back to the ball game. Score 17-22. Ayan. Okay, number 4. Number 4, number 8. Pinasa, number 15. Sumalaksak. Number 2. Nice block by Del Mundo. Block Del Mundo. And second quarter. Score 17-22. Tatlo na. Third personal foul. Okay, back to the game. Third quarter. Score 17-22. Naman ang BMS Bolos. Shoutout sa mga sponsor po natin, Mighty Finance, Amy, BMS, Paniero, Gilas Legend. Sino pa? Yeah, back to the ball game. Mamaya ko na kayo sa shoutout. Oh, 3 points, wala. Rebound, who's rebound? Number 4. Pinasa kay number 7. Pinasa kay number 4. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Lista na yan by Mr. number 4. Assist by number 7. Number 9. Number 9. Pinasa sa tatay. Pinasa kay Kuya Bong. Rebound by number 15. Number 7. Pinasa. Number 22. 2 points. Number 22. Pinasa ni number 7. Assist by number 7. Ron, score! Oh, 22 na! Bilis! Ron! Kuya Bong! Wala! Bola ng BMS. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot! Mr. Wright! Right! Pinasan! 6, 5, 4, 3! Who's foul, Red? Number 8? Number 8, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot by Mr. Wright. First shot. Good. Oh, Mr. Wright. 1 point from Mr. Wright. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7 ang kadala ng bola. Number 7. Nice assist by number 7. Score by number 15. Assist by number 7. Score by number 15. Okay. Number 9. Jensen. Sumasalaksak. Oh, and a move by number 9. 2 points by number 9. Number 4. Number 4. Pinasa. Pinasa kay number. Steal. Steal by Gabriel. Wala. Who's foul rep? Number 5. Foul. Number 5, 2 fouls, and first personal foul, first team foul. Hands for 1 shot. Bonus shot. 2 shot, and Gilas ball. First shot by Mr. Vivares. First shot is good. A second shot for Mr. Vivares. Convert for 2 points. Bola po ng Gilas. Number 7. Number 4, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ron. Ron nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa. Jansen. Rebound again. Same ball.
13 to shoot.
13 to shoot. Pasa del Mundo. 10 seconds. A steal. Steal by number 7 and 2 shots by number 7. Number 7 steal. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 9. 2 shot. Timeout rep. DMS.
Ilan pa timeout nila?
Tama.
Mas malakas po. Hello.
Score 28-25. Lamang ang Gilas. Okay, back to the ball game. Test. Score 28-25.
Hello.
2 shot by number 7.
Hello.
Kulang pa naman tayo.
Hep.
Hooray. First shot. Wala. So good.
Second shot. Ready to jump.
Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 rebound. Cuevas. Nagdadala ng bola. Mr. Right. Kuha na shot. Wala. Del Mundo rebound. Gabriel. Del Mundo. What a shot. Assist by number 5. 2 points by Del Mundo. Assist by number 5. Number 7, tumira ng 3, wala. Del Mundo again. Rebound, Del Mundo, binasa. Okay. Number 5, Ron, nagdadala ng bola. Number 30, Mr. Bong. Mr. Right. Binasa kay Ron, Gabriel. Mr. Bong, Pinasa. Who's foul rep? Number 25. 2 shot.
25 yung foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Second.
Okay, first shot. Oh, good. One shot. Too early.
Nice.
Oh, wala pa rin. Right? Rebound, foul. Rebound, 30. Who's foul, rep? Number 24. 24. First personal foul. Two shot. Third team foul. Two shot by Mr. Wright. First shot.
Offensive rebound niya.
Second shot. 2. Score 38-29. Lamang ng DNS. Number 7. Number 8. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Sub.
Foul ba yun? Foul?
Number 8. Foul, number 8. Number 8, second personal foul.
Check ko sila.
Scoring. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 13. Gabriel. 10 to shoot. Pushing. Penalty. Who's foul number 25? Penalty rep. Number 25, third personal foul. First shot. Wala. Masyadong malakas. Second shot. Scored 38-29. Okay. So, ang second free throw. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 points, number 25. 25, 2 points. Assist by number 4. Assist by number 4. Okay, score 30-30. Back to the ball game, right? Let's go. Back to the ball game. Final. Final and fourth quarter of the game. Oh, 30. Ball on BMS. Kuya, okay ka lang? Number 18, Del Mundo! Pinasa! Kuya Bong! Lumaksak! 2 points! Assist by Del Mundo. Number 7. Number 4. Nasa kay number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 4 for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 18. Rebound number 18. Pinasa kay Mr. Wright. Del Mundo. Ron. Wala. Kay Kuya Arnold. Rebound number 24. Too small, right? Warning for graduate number 2. 15 to shoot. Number 15, wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, wala pa rin. Same ball. Okay, traveling by number 15. Bola ng BMS, score 30-32. Lamang ang BMS ng 2 points. Jansen hesitate. Wala, rebound by number 15. Number 7, 2 points. Assist by number 15, 2 points by number 7. Mr. Right for 2 points. 2 points by Mr. Right. 7 by number 4, 3 points by number 4. Wala, rebound by Mr. Right. Jansen, nagdadala ng bola. Jansen, at yun! Loose ball. Number 15, nagdadala ng bola. Number 15, who's foul rep? Number 9, Sabrek. 24 out, 22 in. Number 22. Number 7, tumira ng press, wala. Rebound by number 8. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Gabriel. 2 points. Assist by number 9. 2 points by Gabriel. Score 32-36.
Sino lamang?
15 to shoot.
Number 7.
10,
7. Wala. Rebound. Who's rebound? Number 8. Only 2 points by number 15. Assist by number 8. Steal by number 22. 2 points. Steal by number 22. Timeout. Score 36. Oh, 36.
Timeout.
Ilan pa time out ng kanya? BMS? Dalawa. Isa pa. Stop clock tayo, 3 minutes ha. 3 minutes, stop clock tayo. Stop clock.
Nakano ka dyan?
Oo. Ako kalala.
Wala tayong i-highlights na.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ha?
Lahat? Ano may best player?
Time out, salubong nga.
Best player si Davis. Kahit matalo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 4 minutes for the 4th quarter. Mr. Wright nagdadala ng bola. Ball 36. Del Mundo. 15 to shoot. Jansen. 9. Steal. Steal by number 15. Foul.
Blocking foul. Number 9. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Wala ilaw yung light. Hindi ko magana. Wala pa tayo. Wala pa foul. Wala pa foul yung kapila.
Wala pa. Ayan mo lang yan. Focus ka lang dyan.
Hey. Tuloy mo lang.
Hey, relax lang po. Okay, relax lang.
3 minutes, stop clock.
Heading pan lang po tayo. Huwag mainit ang ulo. Sa rep. Palitan mo na ang mainit ng ulo. Ano mo na? Labas mo na. Okay, number 22 out. 25 feet.
Double foul tayo sa 22. 13 years ng black. Double foul tayo.
Okay.
Double foul.
Double foul po by number 13 and number 22. Okay, bola po ng Gilas. Okay, remaining time 3 minutes. By number 8, wala. Rebound by Mr. Gabriel. Pinasa, Jansen, malakas. Rebound by number 15. Number 7, wala. Rebound number 25. Jump ball. Who's? Gilas ball. Number 8, tumira ng press. Wala. Who's rebound? Rebound number 2. Foul, Mr. Wright.
Foul number 30. Second personal foul.
4th team foul. Warning for penalty ang BMS. First shot. Wala.
All good. Second shot.
Salang.
Second shot is good. Score 37-36. Mr. Batang.
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. Mr. Wong.
Foul.
Who's foul rep? Number 25.
One shot graduation number 25.
Warning number 25.
Foul rep.
First team foul. 2 shot, Mr. Wong. First shot, wala.
First shot, no good. Second shot. Nope. Second foul. Boom.
Wala, rebound. Rebound Del Mundo.
Okay yung score!
Good.
All!
Foul rep.
All! Okay tayo. Sa baragang tangsan. Yan! Sorry!
Okay.
Basta all. First 7. Bola ng Gilas.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Number 4. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7. 2 points by number 7. Rebound by number 7.
And second.
Steal. Foul. Who's foul? Foul number 5.
Penalty rep.
Penalty. Steal by number 22.
Third personal foul. Number 5.
Score 41-37. Lamang ang Gilas. Kuya Bong. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 4.
Foul number 4.
Who shot rep?
First
Who shot?
personal foul. First personal foul, number 4.
First
First shot, good. Second shot. Ready jumper. Wrong one. He failed to shoot.
Rebound and steal and 2. Number 7. Points by number 18.
Go, number 22. 22. Wala. Rebound, Gabriel. Steal by number 7.
First shot, seconds. 10 seconds.
4. Number 4.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Number 8.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay.